How to fix TotalFinder for macOS not uninstalling. To uninstall TotalFinder from your macOS system, you can use the following script, #bin/bash #stop TotalFinder if it's currently running pgrep TotalFinder/dev/null, then echo stopping TotalFinder osascript equip app TotalFinder phi #remove TotalFinder application and related files echo removing TotalFinder sudo rmrf/application/TotalFinder.app sudo rmrf/library/ScriptingAdditions/TotalFinder.osax rmrf/support/TotalFinder/rmrf/library/caches/com.binaryage.totalfinder/ rmrf/library/preferences/com.binaryage.totalfinder.plist rmrf/library/save \_state/com.binaryage.totalfinder.savedState/ echo TotalFinder has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. It checks if TotalFinder is currently running and stops it if it is. It removes the TotalFinder application from the applications folder. It removes the TotalFinder related files from the system and users library folders. It displays a message confirming that TotalFinder has been uninstalled. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_TotalFinder.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_TotalFinder.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_TotalFinder.sh. Note that you'll need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the TotalFinder application and related files from the system. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.